Hi guys and welcome back to another video. How are you? Good? That's amazing. Come on in, have a seat, relax and enjoy. So today I came on the Google Play Store and it showed me this. It says Google Play Pass. What is Google Play Pass? So essentially it's very similar to YouTube Premium. You know how YouTube has ads on it and you have to watch the ads for the creators to earn money for the content they create. Essentially that's the same thing as gamers. Like game creators create content and then they put ads on them to get money for the content they created. So now instead of having to watch the ads and then the creators get the money from the ad revenue, they just get the money from Google Play Store by Google Play Store paying them out of the membership money you give Google Play Store. So now if you don't want to see ads, you no longer have to see ads on the game. You know those annoying ads that come up after every 30 seconds? You no longer have to see these. One very extraordinary thing I've noticed is it says no in-app purchases. Now, some games have very expensive in-app purchases, so I don't know exactly how that's gonna work out. Like some games have hundreds of dollars worth of currency, in-game currency on sale, so I don't know how you would buy, like how the creators of the game would benefit from that. Like they're probably losing money if you buy a lot of in-game money for only $4 a month. So not exactly sure how that work out. I might have to download it or buy it and test it out. And then it says new titles added every month, so that's absolutely amazing. You might get perks like games that are for money. You might get some of them for free now. Not exactly sure about that. Don't quote me on that, but Google Play Pass is pretty amazing. I've seen a couple of things headed in this direction. YouTube Premium, very similar to this. So I'm actually kind of happy about this. It gives you an option of either having to watch ads or to pay for them, and then you don't have to pay for it on each and every game. With $5, you could get all the ads on all the all the Google Play Store. Essentially deleted or removed, so any game you download it comes without ads. So that's pretty impressive, at least in my book. If you didn't already check it out, go check it out. And in order to find it, if it doesn't automatically pop up for you, go to the top left corner where there's the three lines in the red dot, and then press the third one which says Play Pass. First is my apps and games, then it's notifications, and then it's my Play Pass or just Play Pass. And you click on that, you could subscribe here, start a free trial. Go check it out, see if you like it. If you do, hit that thumbs up button because I informed you about it. Maybe you already knew about it, but hit that thumbs up button anyways. It doesn't hurt, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button. I usually do more of gun game gameplay type of a thing, but I felt like this was relevant to my content. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Have an amazing day. Wash your hands, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.